Cost. We shall start this lesson by attempting a definition on cost. Cost or total cost is the money expenditure incurred by a firm in producing a given output during a given period. Three references are there in the cost definition. They are 1. Money expenditure, 2. Output, and 3. Period. A definition with these references makes it perfect. Keep this in your mind. This lesson is going to be published in two parts. The first part is on types of costs. The second part is on cost concepts. This is part 1. This lesson is about types of costs. There are 8 types of costs. They are money cost, real cost, opportunity cost, accounting cost or explicit cost, implicit cost, economic cost, private cost, and social cost. First we shall deal with money cost. Money cost. Money paid by the producer to the suppliers of inputs is called money cost. It is also known as nominal cost. Examples: 1. Money spent on raw materials. 2. Money paid as wages and salaries to laborers. Real cost. Expenditure incurred in the form of pain, sacrifice, and suffering in producing a good is called real cost. Real cost is a subjective concept. It cannot be measured in money terms. An entrepreneur, apart from investing money, suffers pain, assumes risk, and faces uncertainties in running the business. Suffering pain, assuming risk, and facing uncertainty involves sacrifice. The extent of pain, sacrifice, and sufferings of entrepreneur also should be duly taken in cost calculation. Opportunity cost. Sacrifice of the next best alternative good in favor of a given good is the opportunity cost of the given good. Assume in a given area of land and with a given cost, a farmer can produce any crop, but his first choice is wheat and next best choice is tomato. In his view, he can produce either 1 quintal of wheat or 1,000 kilos of tomato. He produces wheat and sacrifices the production of tomato. In our example, the opportunity cost of 1 quintal of wheat is 1,000 kilos of tomato. Accounting cost, explicit cost. Money paid by an entrepreneur to the suppliers of various productive factors is called accounting cost. Accounting cost is also known as explicit cost because money is flowing from the entrepreneur to the suppliers of inputs. For example, wages paid to the laborers, money paid to raw material suppliers. In these cases, money is flowing from the producer to the suppliers. Implicit cost. Implicit cost is a cost incurred by the entrepreneur when he employs his own services, land, labor, capital in production. Implicit cost is also known as imputed cost. Some of the items of implicit cost shall be stated like this: salary paid to the entrepreneur himself, interest paid to the entrepreneur himself for using his own capital in production, rent paid to the entrepreneur himself for using his own land and building in production. Economic cost. Economic cost is the sum total of explicit cost, implicit cost, and normal profit. Normal profit is the minimum profit which makes the entrepreneur to stay in the present line of production. Economic cost equal to explicit cost plus implicit cost plus normal profit. Private cost. Expenditure incurred in producing a good by a non-governmental firm is called private cost. In short, private cost is the economic cost incurred by a private firm. For example, Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Social cost. Expenditure incurred by the society to safeguard itself from the health hazards caused by a production unit in the same locality is called social cost. Social costs are not borne by the producing unit but by the people in the society. Example, when an oil refinery discharges its waste in the river, it causes water pollution and it pollutes the air also. Such a pollution results in tremendous health hazard. This involves costs to the society as a whole. Our discussion ends here. We shall meet again.